All right, Rob Frazier here. This is day 3. How to make an extra 3,700 some odd bucks with TJ Holloway's 6-figure blueprint. So, wife and kiddo are coming back in town tonight, so I'm banging out a couple more videos. It's 5:20 a.m. So, starting this video, I want to say that I've gone back and forth with this traffic strategy for a while. And if you watched the previous video, if you haven't watched the previous video, please go watch it. I'm going to include a link in the description as well as a link to this entire playlist. If you're new, this is how I made an extra 3,700 bucks using TJ Holloway's 6-figure blueprint. This is the 3rd video in the series, so if you haven't watched the first and the second video, I highly recommend doing so. Also, if you first time come across this channel, like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question, let me know, click the notification bell, give me some feedback underneath this video. If you have questions, leave them underneath this video so I can add supplemental material to help. So, excuse me, going back, there's a lot of people who said they made a lot of money off of, before I even get into this, there's 3 main ways of building a business. It's the 3 C's. Clicks, getting people from the internet to click on your website, preferably your capture page. If you don't know what a capture page is, that's why you need to watch video 1. People clicking on your capture page. The second C is content. This video is part of my content marketing. And the last C is connections. You real people who click on your website, who consume your content, they become connections. You start business relationships with them, and that's how this whole thing works. So, backing up, the easiest, simplest way to get clicks, to start getting clicks, this is just one of 3 click methods that I'm going to be sharing in the series. And I'll just say, traffic exchange is safe list solo ads. However, you need to have a specific plan and tracking. That was my mistake. So if you don't know about tracking and where we get our free tracking service, go back and watch video 2. Video 2, you should have your tracking link already in place. So that being said, you got your tracking link that's linked to your capture page. And then that is the link we're going to take and advertise on just a couple of traffic exchanges. And I have 7 listed, but I only surf 4 traffic exchanges on a daily basis. And before I even get into this is something that I've got from TE Hoopla. There's a guy, what's his name? His name is Bill Carr. He created all of the Hoopla sites. He has it's Traffic Exchange Hoopla. He has Bitcoin Hoopla. He has a lot of them. And he's been around the business for a long time, but this is what he has done. He's built up his business. And the whole idea behind it is you promote traffic programs. When you promote those same traffic programs to your referrals, you teach them how to get traffic the same way I'm doing right here, right now. When your referrals use that traffic source, you get clicks, you get credits, you get, in some cases, money, and you use that for even more traffic to your specific business. That's what I did in the past when I made a lot of money with using solo ads. People would go to the same source to buy traffic, and when they would buy traffic, I would get some money. Then I would use that money to buy more of the same traffic. Eventually, we kind of hit like a critical mass with just using a solo ad service. But same concept applies here, but there's much more traffic. There's a lot more people using these traffic exchanges and safe lists, which I'm going to cover in a future video, that it's untapped. And a lot of these people, they don't have a plan, which is how we earn. We come in, we say, hey, stop endlessly surfing on 10,000 different traffic exchanges with no plan. We give them a plan, we give them direction, and there you go. So anyway, wrapping this video up, and the whole homework for today is just to create, and I'm going to put all the links in the description, but really just create accounts on 4 different places. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and read this goal. basically, I'm going to just paraphrase. This gentleman, Bill Carr, he's over here on Cash Juice as well. Cash Juice is one of the places that you're going to create an account. You can create a free account. Cash Juice is like a free social media platform, but you can use it to get traffic. It's like Facebook with the traffic. It encourages biz ops and things like that. So, but Bill Carr, the guy who created these TE Hoopla sites, basically talks about how he scaled up. He started with, I just want to get 100 clicks to my website. I just want to get 1,000 clicks to my website, and eventually worked his way up to getting 10,000 daily clicks to a website, and then on up to 20,000 clicks daily to a website within 2 years. Now, it's all about the same strategy I just shared earlier, which is when you promote a traffic program with your business, other people come in, they join you in a traffic program, you get credits, you can advertise your business, the person comes and joins your traffic program, you get credits, joins your business, you get money. And you teach them how to do the same, and then as they get referrals, they start rolling up commissions, buying more traffic, it creates group economics. So, basically, this is TE Hoopla is one of the sites I'm going to recommend. And it's going to be in this order. If you're watching this video, you should already have a Leads Leap account. If you don't have a Leads Leap account, go back and watch video 2. You should already have a Leads Leap account. And again, all of these links are going to be in the description. You're going to create a Cash Juice account. I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile here. As you can see here, it's just like a social media platform. You can post your videos, you can post your links, you can make connections, you can talk to people. It's just a social media place for biz op type people, if that makes sense. So Cash Juice, and that guy who creates the TE Hoopla sites is on Cash Juice, and he posts every single day. You're going to create an account at Cash Juice. You're going to create an account at Traffic Ad Bar. You're going to create an account at Affinity Traffic Boost. Again, I'm going to type it up and put this in the description. So if you're not getting it, you're going to create an account with Affinity Traffic Boost, and then lesser of a priority because we're just going to start here. So I would consider Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, Infinity Traffic Boost like first tier. If you don't do anything else, create accounts in those 3 places. Take your tracking link that you have made over here at Leads Leap. Take your tracking link. You should know what I'm talking about. Copy that link. And then when you are over here on Cash Juice, create your account. When you're at Traffic Ad Bar, you create your account. When you're at Infinity Traffic Boost, you create your account. You're going to take that link and put it in those 3 different websites. Not going to get into how to do that in this video because there's other videos, because that's just going to be too much to explain. But the bigger picture is to create accounts at Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, Infinity Traffic Boost. Get your tracking link that you got from video 2, put it in those back offices, and then if you're not overwhelmed, create an account with TE Hoopla, and then my last 2 would be Easy Hits for You and Traffic Splash. What I personally do is every single day I only serve 20 ads on Cash Juice. I only serve 25 ads on Traffic Ad Bar. They send out a daily email, makes it very simple. Infinity Traffic Boost, I serve 20 ads. Leads Leap, I serve 20 ads. And that's all I do for surfing. Everything else at Easy Hits for You, I actually buy anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 clicks a week. It's very, very cheap. With traffic exchanges, 1,000 to 2,000 clicks will get you 1 solid lead. How do I know that? Over time, I've learned that, but now that I'm tracking, I can actually go back in and look at my numbers and see. I don't know if you heard my rooster jibber jabbing in the background there, but over time, once you get your tracking in place, you will see where your leads and sales are coming from. So for traffic exchanges, again, 1,000 to 2,000 clicks will get you 1 solid lead. And it costs the same as if you're buying a solo ad. I'm going to talk about that in a future video. Solo ads, you spend 50 cents a click. The opt-in rate is a lot higher. You know, you get anywhere from 15 to 50%, depending. But it ends up to being the same amount because traffic exchange clicks are cheaper. But again, that's kind of like the main numbers we want to think about. But getting a little into the weeds, the homework for today is, if you haven't watched videos 1 and 2, please watch videos 1 and 2 because everything compounds on itself. The only thing we're doing today is taking our tracking link that we got from video 2. We're going to create an account with Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, Infinity Traffic Boost, and then TE Hoopla. And then if you're feeling still pretty good, Easy Hits for You and Traffic Splash. Just create an account in those places and put your link in the back office. I will include supplemental material on how to put your link in the back office and different things like that in the future. So that's the homework for today. And what I do in the morning, I'll wake up, I'll surf Infinity Traffic Boost 20 ads, and same thing with Cash Juice. As a matter of fact, while I'm here, I think I did it in the other video. I think I actually surfed my ads when I was talking, and I'm getting close to 15 minutes. So some people's eyeballs are glazing in the back of their head. Hopefully not. But it's very simple. Over here, click on Earn Stats. Whoops, clicked on something else. Click on Earn Credits, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, my views for today are 20. That means I already surfed my ads. And that's it. I do this 20 times. Takes like a couple of minutes. So in the morning, I'll do Cash Juice Infinity Traffic Boost. Take like 10 minutes at the absolute most, especially if I'm goofing around looking at Facebook and other things too. And then in the afternoon, I'll do my Traffic Ad Bar and Leads Leap ads. Like around 3 p.m. Pacific is usually when the Traffic Ad Bar people send out their email, and then I'll just click on a link in the email and surf the ads there. It's the same thing. You get the email, the link will go straight to the Traffic Exchange, or you can come down here and start surfing. So it's again getting too long. My videos should try to keep them around 15 minutes, but it's very, very simple. And this is what it looks like here. Waiting for my Country Bumpkin Wi-Fi to load. But that's it. 25 here. Usually 20 on Cash Juice. I mean, that's just what it looks like every day. And as long as you're constantly getting new clicks to your website, your marketing is working, because then you're getting clicks to your capture page. And then we got to learn how to increase conversions from people to opt in our capture page, and then increase conversions from becoming a lead to our list to actually doing business with us. But as this is just the first part, the easiest part, which is getting clicks to the capture page. Very, very simple. And over here at Leads Leap, I'll show you what it looks like too. Surfing the ads, if I can figure out where my thing is. And it's very simple. Whatever page you're on, you come over here, see Surf and Earn Member Ads. And that's what that looks like here. As you can see in the lower right down here, I already got 20 ads surfed. Wait till the counter hits, and then go from there. So anyway, wrapping this video up, 14 minutes. Stay tuned to the next one. We're going to add another piece, because this is easy. This is easy traffic. You don't have to think about it. Surf your ads every single day and keep looking at your stats. See you in the next video.